Crunch.
Oh, what is he doing? Oh no. Oh, hi Marcel. Oh, he's holding your hand.
Oh, good girl.
Oh, you're sweet, Zaylee.
Do you like his little cheeks?
Uh-oh, he's gonna fall.
Hold him, hold him, hold him. Hold him.
Okay, all done? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give him a kiss. Say
Give him a
see you
kiss.
later.
Give him a kiss.
What's on his head?
What?
What is it? What is that?
What is it, Zaylee?
What?
Sorry? Cat.
Sorry, baby.
Ooh!
Sit.
Oh no, you got it on your shirt.
Sit.